Hi there, I'm Sean Dillman. This product is designed to help save desk space and increase your productivity by mounting your keyboard, mouse, and monitors in a more ergonomic way. Stay tuned and I'll unbox it, show you how to set it up, and walk you through its important features. I'll also tell you what I like about it, what I don't like about it, and what people are saying about it online. At the end, I'll tell you how you can download my guide, which contains an easy-to-use feature checklist, simple setup guide, and answers to frequently asked questions. As always, if you like this video, please be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so this is the box that I received from Amazon. Okay, so as you can see here, there's a lot going on. The easiest thing to start with, I guess, is this. This is the post that is going to connect to the unit, that all of the other pieces are going to connect to. The dual monitor stand and the keyboard tray are going to connect to this. Okay, so this is a clamp that is going to be used to connect to the back of my desk, and the pole is going to go in here. Or alternately, if I have a hole in the top of my desk, I can use this grommet to put the pole like this, and then it'll come out of here. This is the arm that's going to hold the keyboard tray. As you can see, it's zip strapped, and there's a little warning here that says that there's potential energy that's being stored. So just be careful when you take off these straps that you don't have something hit you in the eye, and that it doesn't kind of come back at you and hit you or anything. So just be careful when you take these straps off. To make it really easy, I would recommend using snips like this. I wouldn't recommend using a knife. You could use scissors, but snips are probably the best way to go because they only open a short distance, and that's really what they're designed for. This is the keyboard tray itself. I note here that it actually has kind of a nice little soft felt thing and a mouse pad that's built right in. And this is the monitor arm itself. This is going to go on like this, and then there's two arms here. Just like with the keyboard arm, there's a warning here that says that there's potential energy stored up here in these arms. So be very careful when you disconnect these straps. These are the VESA plates. These are what I'm going to attach to the back of my monitor, and then once these are attached to the monitors, then the monitors will slide onto the arm like this. When it comes to setting up this mount, the first thing you need to do is decide if you're going to use the clamp method or the grommet method. For most people, using the clamp method will be the easiest, but this requires your desk to have an overhanging lip like this. If your desk doesn't have one and is flush on its corners, you'll need to use the grommet method. To use this method, your desk will need to have a pre-existing hole, or you'll need to drill one. Once the post is attached, it's a simple matter of following the instructions to slide on the arms and tool caddy and use the included tools to tighten the screws. At this point, you can also install the plates on the backs of your monitors, slide them onto the arms, and secure them using the included screws. For this demonstration, I'm using a 24-inch MSI Modern MD241PW monitor, which weighs about 10 pounds, and a 24-inch Samsung T35F series monitor, which weighs about 5 pounds. If you're using monitors that are larger and heavier than these, up to the 17.6 pound limit for each arm, you may want to get a second person to help you. It's much easier to have one person hold a monitor while the other person positions it onto the arm and then tightens the screws to hold it in place. Once you have the monitors on and the keyboard tray in place, you can route the cables using the plastic clips, store the tools in the tool caddy, and you're all set. To save space, you may wish to get rid of the box and packing materials that come with the workstation, but I recommend keeping all the booklets and extra pieces together in a plastic bag like this for safekeeping. By taking this extra step, you can keep all the pieces in one place, and you'll have everything you need if you ever want to configure the mount again in a new place. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the product. Starting with its construction, it's made of high quality steel and plastic parts. The post that comes with it is about 32 inches long, and it supports two brackets, one for the monitors and one for the keyboard tray. The monitor bracket can support up to 17.6 pounds per monitor on each arm, and each monitor can be up to 32 inches in size. Because the brackets on the arms are adjustable for tilt and swivel, it's easy to find the perfect height and angle for your monitors, no matter if you're sitting or standing. In addition to the monitor mounts being adjustable, the keyboard tray is also adjustable, so you can also find the right position for your keyboard and mouse so that your wrists are at a comfortable angle. Through long-term use, I found that there are 5 things that I really like about it. Like number 1, it promotes better posture and increases productivity. By allowing me total customization of the positions of my keyboard, mouse, and monitors, It's easier to observe better posture, particularly over long periods of time spent at the computer. In my office, I spend most of my time standing. Having my monitors and peripherals at the optimal height helps reduce eye strain, neck pain, and backaches, which increases my productivity because I can work longer without being distracted by discomfort. Like number 2, it saves space. The Workstation has a great space-saving design. As you can see, by elevating my monitors, keyboard, and mouse over my desk, I free up scarce space that I can use for other things. Like number 3, it supports dual monitors at different orientations. For my work, using multiple monitors is a must, so I needed a workstation that could support 2 or more monitors. I find it extremely valuable to have one monitor in landscape orientation and another in portrait. If you've never tried this configuration, I highly recommend it. To see my specific tips, please check out my video on using multiple monitors and how it can revolutionize how you work and boost your productivity. Although the original audience for my video was people in the legal community, the tips apply to everyone equally. Like number 4, sturdy construction. As I mentioned, the Workstation has a weight capacity of 17.6 pounds per monitor and is made of high quality materials. The Workstation is well designed, stable, and durable. Like number 5 and finally, cable and tool management. I like how the designers of this workstation integrated cable management clips to help keep my cables organized and out of the way. The designers also integrated a little caddy on the post which holds the included tools. And to me, this shows an impressive attention to detail. When it comes to the things that I dislike, there are only 2 things. Dislike number 1, the price. This workstation was more expensive than some of the other options that were available, but to be fair, I was impressed by its high quality construction and features, so I decided to go with this premium product. Dislike number 2, limited adjustability options. While the Workstation has an impressive range of available height adjustments, these adjustments can't necessarily be made easily on the fly. As I mentioned, I spend most of my workday standing. However, if I wanted to sit using this workstation, I'd need to make a lot of adjustments to change the position. So although this workstation can be used in a sitting or standing position, it can't necessarily change quickly from one position to the other and back again. When it comes to online reviews, according to my research, people typically rate it between 4 and 5 out of 5 stars. Most of the positive reviews are about the workstation's quality of construction, stability, and durability. People have praised the workstation's easy assembly process, with many users reporting that they were able to assemble it within minutes. People also appreciate the workstation's dual monitor mounts, cable management features, and adjustable keyboard tray. There are also many positive comments about how the workstation helps with reducing neck, back, and eye strain by allowing users to put their monitors, keyboards, and mice in the perfect positions. In terms of negative reviews, some users have reported that the workstation may not be ideal for very tall or very short people, and that the height adjustment range may not be enough to fit their needs. This is a good point and is something that I wouldn't have thought of if I hadn't read the reviews. Lastly, a few users have reported that they find the workstation to be relatively expensive compared to other options on the market, which is something that I've also mentioned. Okay, so before I wrap up, if you liked this video, please be sure to give it a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If there's anything that you have questions about that I didn't cover in this video, please be sure to comment below and I'll respond to you as soon as I can. If you haven't already, please be sure to check out my videos in which I look at other mounts and workstations, including the Ergotron WorkFit TL, Ergotron HX monitor arm, and the Huanyo laptop monitor mount. If you end up purchasing this product or something similar, please use my Amazon link below so that I'll get a small commission from Amazon, which will support me and my channel. So with that, there you have it. If you'd like to download my guide, which contains an easy-to-use feature checklist, simple setup guide, and answers to frequently asked questions, please visit my website at www.seandillman.com. Thanks again for watching. As always, I'm Sean Dillman.